Hey y'all, it's Mary and I have my October Boxycharm. And y'all, I love seeing my Boxycharm show up at the house. I love it. And even when I hate it, I still love it. I do. I had some trouble with Boxy when it was time to renew for me, and I did not want to renew at a quarter. I wanted to renew at a year, and I couldn't get the website to cooperate, and I tried to contact them and they didn't respond. So I ended up canceling and then going back in like the next day and signing up again. And so that meant that with my September box, I didn't get what I had chose for September, and who knows what I got in September. I was not happy. I did get to choose October, so let's hope. Well, you know, we only get to choose one thing. This is the base box. The base box is $29.99 now, and I think there's also, maybe it's $28 and $1.99 shipping, but they're changing that. They're going to raise it. That's why I decided to get a year, because you get discounts with the year. So that's what I did. So I should know that price, but I don't. I'm sorry. I'll put, you know, if you sign up under me, I get some points. You get some points. You get maybe 10 or something dollars off. I'm not really even sure, because it never really happens to me. I think one time I got some points. Charms. They call them charms. Anyway, so the base box. I'm happy with the base box. They do have a premium, and then they have a luxe every three months. And I've had the luxe before. I didn't care for it. And the premium, I don't care for. I mean, I'm happy with this one. You get five full-size products. You get to pick one. When you open it, I did cut the seal. I have not looked inside. It's usually always this beautiful pink fuchsia inside. And inside is a card. And this one says, "Everyone will be under your spell," from Boxycharm. And that's what the card says. And this, instead of being this way, it's this way. Okay. So let's see. I chose the Earth Harbor product. Okay. So there is an Earth Harbor product in here. This is valued at $45. And this is a Celestine Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum. So let's see what it looks like. The reason I chose this was the other choice. There were three choices for October. There was this. Oh, this is beautiful. And then there was a Wander Beauty eyeshadow. It was one of those little duos. They're called duo dates or something like that. I think I've had one before in a blush. So when you open it, it's cute. It's like a little bento thing. You know, it opens, the top comes up and there's one shade, and then that comes up and there's another shade. But it's all hooked together. So I didn't want that. I really like Wander Beauty skincare. I'm not real fond of their makeup. And I know a lot of people love their mascaras. I don't know that I've tried their eyeshadows, but I'm not real big on, their blushes are nice. So this is gorgeous. So, oh, and the third choice was an unmentionable item in my opinion. So it was a little quad eyeshadow in a brand that I do not support. So this is beautiful. Look at how pretty that liquid is in there. Their bottles, their stuff is always so gorgeous. Okay, let's see what it says. This is a new one for me. Get that goddess glow by hydrating and replenishing skin with 8 juicy botanical hydrators, including 3 molecular weights of plant-based hyaluronic acid for effectively filling each layer of skin. It's so pretty. Of course, it's a dropper bottle. It has an opalescence to it. It's really, really pretty. So that's valued at $45. And the next thing in here is huge, so I'll just take it out. Oh, I got this. I've been so happy to avoid this in the past. Y'all, and some of y'all, I'm sure some of y'all really like it, but this is Frank Body. Frank Body is skincare, usually, and maybe hair care. Yeah, skincare and hair care. This is called Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. It's valued at $22. It comes in this crazy cup that you can reuse for coffee. I don't think so. They show someone's backside right there. Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. I'm your dream cream with a double shot of coffee. And here, I can take it out of this. It's really cute packaging and all. And it's in this little cup. Seeing what, I'm not sure it's okay. It says, but first coffee, but it's BUTT. But first coffee, and then Frank Body on the other side. And you're supposed to be able to use this for coffee after you've used the product inside, which is supposed to help your behind, lift your butt. Okay, it's got a this nice kind of seal on it. Oh, it smells good. You can use it, you know, I'm whatever, but I don't think I would ever, I don't know. As well, if this could run through the dishwasher, it'll be fine, probably, to use for coffee. But this is coffee. This is like a splash of orange juice for me. I have my coffee, I have to have a giant coffee, so that's not going to work. So, all right, this is my my stuffing, so to speak, and let's see what else I have. Okay, I have some different kind of things. I think I have a palette. Okay. I have Ciate London. Oh yeah, I do have a palette. That's the palette. I'll show you that last. The Half-Caked Airbrush Complexion Duo. Now, why do some of these things I've never seen before, y'all? Half-Cake brand, we've gotten them before in Boxy. Airbrush Complexion Duo. So, cute box. I'm not real big on, I don't know. I just don't know. I haven't seen this. Oh, look at that pretty brush. Okay. Oh, they're brushes. Well, I was thinking it was a foundation or something, and I'm like, oh, I don't know about foundations. But Half-Caked, I've had we got one time a beautiful blusher and a beautiful brush with that. I did put that in a giveaway or something. I sent it to a friend. But look at that pretty brush, y'all. Okay, it's wrapped in plastic, so I'm going to leave it that way. Very pretty eye brush. And here's a very pretty powder brush. It's nice and sealed and has this netting on it to keep it nice. So I'll leave it that way. I may put that in a giveaway. I may use it. I don't know. Very pretty. Well, I had no idea that we were getting brushes, that I was getting brushes. I think everybody gets something different. That is valued at $25. And then I have the Beauty Crop. Well, this is interesting. The Beauty Crop, okay? The Beauty Crop we get a million times in Ipsy. The eye primer. Stuck on You eye primer. And it is a little round. I have a million of them. Maybe not because I give them away all the time, because I get them all the time. It's a little glass jar, and you rub your finger in it and put it on. You know, it's an eye primer, so you put it under your eyeshadow. Well, this is eye primer base, but it's in a tube. So this is a liquidy then. It's all shrink wrapped, so I'm not going to open it right now. I have used the little pots many times because when it's what you got, you use it. But I do prefer a liquid eye primer because you put it on, it dries in a couple seconds, and you're done. So that is that, and that is valued at $18. So very nice. Okay. And then I did get a palette, and I did not know I was getting a palette because, of course, I chose the Earth Harbor. So this is the Ciate London Spice Palette. Is this the one I just got in Ipsy? We shall see. Maybe not. It looks bigger. It looks a little bit bigger than the ones I got from Ipsy, but I could be wrong. It was wrapped in bubble wrap. This is it. It's gorgeous packaging. Gorgeous packaging. Love that color. I think I have this. I think this is the one I have from Ipsy. Oh, no, it isn't because it's different colored. Oh, it's beautiful. Look how pretty that is. And it's got the gold trim around it. And see now, this is not the one I got from Ipsy. That is gorgeous. Now, Ciate London, I get stuff from them, and I really must say that I hardly ever use them. Ooh, maybe I'll use this one, y'all. This is beautiful. First of all, this palette, compact, whatever you want to call it, is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I think it's a plastic. On the other side of this is a full mirror. So let me put the box in front of it. And here are the colors. This is gorgeous. Now, I don't know. Ciate London, I don't think has the best reputation. They have fallout and stuff like that. So that's the only thing about it. But these colors are beautiful. They look richer, what I'm seeing, than what you're seeing. The light is making these very bright, these neutrals. And I love the burgundies. They're gorgeous. And there are 3 shimmers, 1, 2, and 3. Very, very pretty. Boy, this would make a nice gift because the presentation is beautiful. Very beautiful. And this is valued at $39. So this, okay, I tend to put things back in the boxes. So I got the beautiful Earth Harbor. I love Earth Harbor products, I have to tell you. The ones that I've used, I've really enjoyed. And I think I have another. I have an oil right now. I will use an oil as a serum. I have many times, but I prefer something that's more meant to be, I don't know. I just prefer a serum over an oil, and this looks beautiful. So that is the Celestine. I can't say that word. I want to say, I don't know what I want to say. Got that, and I've got the brushes, half baked. We've got the gorgeous palettes. We've got this is extremely heavy. This is to lift your backside. It is, oh, well, it's talking about the coffee cup. Deeply hydrating. So it helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite through moisture and massage. Okay, so you can use it on your thighs and your butt. And then we have the Beauty Crop Stuck on You eye primer. So that's my box, y'all. Let's see if I can add it up real fast. 85, 84, 20, 30. Let me. So my box is valued at $149. That's fantastic. I am very happy with this. This right here, $45, that more than pays for the box. You know, most every product in here pays for the box. So the brushes are $25, the primer's $18, but still, these are things that if I don't use them, one of y'all will use them. I do like a liquid eye primer over a balm, so I do like that. And this is gorgeous. This is just making me think of Christmas, of a Christmas gift. So this was a good box, y'all. I am liking this box. So thank you for stopping by and seeing my Boxycharm, and I hope that you have a great day and count your blessings. Bye-bye.